Hi, I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm with bestofusinvestors.com. Started this YouTube channel. I'm a retired financial advisor, and I wanted to share my knowledge with people of common interest of investing. I have for years, or for the past year, basically said you need to be in the tech stocks, the what I call the big six. That's Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, and Tesla. And I'm now recognizing that there's a seventh investment that I want to be a part of, and I think you need to be a part of, and that is real estate. Whether you're a foreign investor who's trying to find some place to put your assets, your currency, because you're not comfortable with the what's happening to your currency in your country, or you're a retiree who's not comfortable in the stock market and in fact is looking for some place that you can get better than maybe 1% or a 0.5% on a CD, and you're looking for a better investment, well, I'm going to suggest, whichever you are, that it's going to be real estate. It's going to be, we're going through a change in real estate. We're going through a change where the real estate in the heartland, if you will call it, those states that aren't on the coast, that are cheap real estate. Now, we in Birmingham, Alabama, don't think our real estate's so cheap, but to people from California, New York, and the whole East Coast, and the whole West Coast, look at our real estate and say it's inexpensive. Well, we know that some of them are going to be moving into our communities because of the pandemic. We've learned they don't need to live where they work. So the real estate's going to become more valuable in the heartland. The other thing, as I say, if you're an investor and your currency is not holding up, we have opportunities there. What I'm doing is putting together a company called Best of Us Homes, or Best of U.S. Homes, however you want to say it. And I'm going to bring together real estate agents who can actually direct you to the good investments. They're going to have all the software they need to work out the details as to what kind of return you might expect off of a real estate investment. And what I'm talking here is possibly a single family residence or a duplex that you can rent out and you can have managed, and it sends you a monthly check, particularly if you're paying cash. Now, if you're an investor who doesn't want to pay cash because you don't want the income and the tax requirement or obligation that comes with that income, you might want to leverage up, and that is to say, take out a mortgage and set it up so that you don't make income off of the property, but instead you get the appreciation as the value of the heartland real estate is recognized as an undervalued asset, and it goes up. And then you also get the benefit of tax deductions for the interest that you're paying, and also the depreciation of the property by taking advantage of the U.S. tax laws. So, yes, you need to continue to invest in the big six or into those stocks that you think are going to give you opportunities in the future. But you need to understand real estate and how it can enhance your portfolio in a tax-advantaged way and an appreciation way that stocks can't. It's comparable to investing in a dividend stock if, in fact, what you want is income, but you don't have the corresponding risk of depreciation. AT&T pays a decent dividend. Coca-Cola pays a decent dividend, but their stock price fluctuates. Real estate historically just keeps going up. And with this migration from the blue states to the red states, the real estate in the heartland is going to appreciate even greater. So this is your opportunity as an investor to take advantage of that. Now, in the past, you've had to deal with a middleman, and that would be that you got involved in a REIT or you got involved in a hedge fund that is specialized in real estate. Now, there you have a supportive structure that you have to pay for. So your return is going to be in accordance with paying for that structure. You got a president, a vice president, you have a brick building that they work in, and you have 3,000 employees that they work with. They go and they find the properties through my local real estate agent or through me. What I'm going to set up with Best of U.S. Homes is a way for you to take them out of the equation and to deal directly with the real estate agent. And that's going to be Best of Us. And that's going to be Best of U.S. Homes. So what do you do from this point? Sign up as a subscriber to this channel. Sign up as a member of Best of Us Investors. That will get you on my mailing list. And my mailing list, I will send you a letter every morning talking about the investment markets. It's from there I will keep you abreast as to when this Best of U.S. Homes is up and running, and we have the agents and the brokers and the lenders and the contractors and the closing agents and everybody in place so that you can access real estate. How long is that going to take? It'll be done by January 1st. I'm committed to that. So first of all, like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and then subscribe to bestofusinvestors.com, and I'll lead you through this tremendous investors opportunity coming in real estate, probably starting around February. That's when all the foreclosures are going to hit the market and the bargains are going to start showing up in real estate. So that's what I need from you if you want to be a part of this. Thank you.